Kblei phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ka office jong joint director my Bharat Meghalaya hapo ka Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India kala pulong ya ka jingyalang barkilat pathai khubor hakasngi baar hashilong press club. Shuaba ka kinhun samla jong ka jila Meghalaya kan mi banit New Delhi ban shimbanta ha ka Viksit Bharat Youth Leader Dialogue VBYLD arhajar arthndrium. Hagani ka jingelang la batay bini asyapang thong jung ka VB YLD ka rukam jit iki dukhot jung ka kinhon Meghalaya bad ka jingya shimbanta jongki ha ka Viksit Bharat Challenge khamtam ha ka cultural track but design for Bharat ha ka kardandri. Ha ka jingya kren bakilat pathai kubor ba DD Shira MCS Director of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya uba Sarvendra Pratap Singh State Director My Bharat Meghalaya but uba Bobby Walang State Youth Officer but Nodal Officer Jongka Viksit Bharat Youth Leader Dialogue Arhajar Arpandriu. Kila ong bagani ka program kadi ka jingyo benda ka bakarpang hagari ka batmu ban pen ko bori ka samla ban wanra ki jingmut jing perkhat ki batmai ban ai jingyaram ha ka jingte ya kari. Ki he officer kila pentip ru bagani ke jingya kom kelas dang nadu kumbalai bnai minsha maladan shibun ki samla na kelengkari India ki blawan ban shimbenta la pelong ibun benta jong ke jingya kop kum ke jingya thu lingba ka online jingya pet ba daki expert jingya trade daki jury ba jingya kran shimet personal interview shaba on jit iginomi khmat bakhaddo na Meghalaya sangut ki samla la jit ban mi khmat ika jila ha ka kadandri kini ki samla kin shimbenta ki jingya kran shapang ka policy ki jingya kran kinhun group discussion ki jingpin iriti duster bar ka jingya pin ki jing thmu thmai bar ki design ban wengi ki jing jong ka impact ba ka ni ki project blapan pau pat ba ka ka device jingya ram ya ki priyo ki baduna ka jingyo ka bala ban pintim ya ka por bar ki jingtip lingba ka jingya shem touch kani ka project ka thmu ban pinduna ya ka door ba bat ka jing jing device ba jipindan kam pat ba bat ban pinsuk ya ka jing pindan kam bat jingyo jingya pat ba ka jingya lang ba he ha ka kadandri kanong nadu shipho hadu khat arthrik ukla lincoln arhajar arthriu Prime Minister kari India Narendra Modi unong kongsan ha ka sngi kabakan
everyone and happy new year to one and all. As per the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, we are organizing this press conference on behalf of the Ministry and on behalf of the Sports Department, Government of Meghalaya. I'm very privileged to inform everyone that the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, with the collaboration of all the state sports departments, is organizing the second edition of the reimagined National Youth Festival known as Viksit Bharat Youth Leader Dialogue 2026 in New Delhi from 9th to 12th January 2026. It will also culminate with the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda on 12th of January. The journey began with a nationwide quiz on the My Bharat platform, which saw over 50 lakh young participants from across India. 2.5 lakh participants were shortlisted and invited to submit essays across 10 main themes of Viksit Bharat Youth Leader Dialogue. Out of that, 15,000 participants progressed further to the state level presentation rounds. Traditional track competitions were conducted across 677 districts with 954 participants qualifying for the national level in categories such as folk dance, folk music, declamation, poetry and painting. In Meghalaya also, there were many participants, but unfortunately only 54 participants has been shortlisted and they underwent quiz competition as a competition, and they also gave their own presentations in front of the jury members and in front of the observer from the ministry. Recently, on 2nd January, our Honorable Governor has met them, greeted them, and they will be leaving to Delhi today itself. That is all from myself.
Thank you very much. Bobby Walam. I am the nodal officer for this Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue, and I am also the contingent leader for this team to Delhi. This Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue is a part of the 29th National Youth Festival, which will be held in Bharat Mandapan in New Delhi from the 9th to the 12th of January 2026. And this National Youth Festival is divided into 4 components. That is the Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue, Viksit Bharat Cultural Track, Viksit Bharat Design for Bharat, and Viksit Bharat Hack for Social Change. The Meghalaya contingent is taking part in the Youth Leader Dialogue, Cultural Track, and Design for Bharat. The Design for Bharat is a very unique program. It was an open concept inviting different technical institutions across India to create a unique innovation for the Viksit Bharat. So here we have 2 youths from Meghalaya. They are the students of Northeastern Hill University. One is Mr. Nishan Kumar Singh and Ms. Nikita Singh. They have designed a smart Braille watch. It's an assistive wearable device designed for their blind people to access information through touch of the watch. This project focused on reducing the high cost and bulky nature of existing Braille device while maintaining portability and easy to use. The watch aimed to display time and notification on Braille on the user wrist, making daily information and access more convenient, affordable, and inclusive. Both of them at present they are in Delhi. They have on the 2nd they left for Delhi because they have to do lots of presentation, and we are proud that this innovation has been selected at the national level, and they will put up their idea in the presence of Sri Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, and other experts on the 11th January 2026. And as our director has already mentioned, that 50 youths has been selected from the state along with 4 officials, and this program has started already 3 months back from the month of September, October, where we had the online quiz questions where 50 lakhs youths all over the country, they took part in this quiz questions, and out of that only 5,68,928 youths were qualified for the second round, and that second round is a essay writing competition. The youths were asked to submit a 1,000 words essay on one of the 10 themes of the Viksit Bharat Challenge. They were given 10 themes. On the 10th theme, they have to write the essay on 100 words. So out of that, only 5 lakhs youths were selected all over India. And in Northeast, it was 15,000. And in our Meghalaya group, the essay round, only 2,393 youths from Meghalaya attempted the online quiz, and out of that, 475 youths were declared winners. So after this quiz, the ministry have sent us the hard copy so that it should be evaluated by the domain experts of different universities and colleges. So, and we have selected these jury members as per the guidelines of the Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of India. After the evaluation of the essay paper, it was uploaded and it was sent back to the ministry, and the ministry after that declared 88 youths as successful from our state. Then in the state level, we had the state championship where all these participants were called in person. These 2 stages was online and the third stage, that is a state championship, was in person. So the 88 youths, they appeared for in person and they presented their PPT on the damn team in the presence of the jury and a moderator. The moderator is a person, is a ministry's representative. He has been appointed by the Government of India as an observer. He was here in Shillong, and he is the person who has the final decision was taken by him. And the shortlisting of the top participants from every track, they were all subjected to a leadership assessment round in form of personal interview conducted by the moderator. The final selection list for the national level was approved by the moderator. So 25 youths have been selected to take part in this Viksit Bharat Young Leader Dialogue, where these youths will be speaking on 10 themes, and also they will be speaking in front of the policymakers, also from members of the Niti Aayog. And out of that, another 23 youths were selected from the cultural track. This cultural track also is very important. They will be performing the folk song, folk dance, declamation, poetry and painting in the national level. So they have been selected from 1,000 youths. We had a camp in Chillong where 1,000 of youths gathered in Nehu from the 1st to the 5th of December. And after 1,000, we selected 23 youths to represent Meghalaya in the national level. And this all started from the block level. It is not only in the state level, it started from the block level. We picked up the youth from the block level to the district level, from district level to the state level, and now from the state level to the national level. So the team comprising of 50 people will be leaving for Delhi today and will be reaching on the 8th, and from the 9th the program starts. And on the 12th January, it is a National Youth Day. It's called National Youth Day. And on that day, our youths will be meeting the Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and other cabinet ministers. Thank you.
So our teams of Viksit Bharat Challenge. Number 1, Team 1, Youth in Democracy and Government for Viksit Bharat. Team 2, Women-led Development, the key to Viksit Bharat. Team 3, Fit Bharat, Hit Bharat. Team 4, Making India the startup capital of the world. Team 5, Bharat's soft power, cultural diplomacy and global influence. Team 6, Innovation with Tradition, building a modern Bharat. Team 7, Atmanirbhar Bharat, make in India, make for the world. Team 8, enhancing productivity through smart and sustainable agriculture. Team 9, building a sustainable and green Viksit Bharat. And Team 10, building a future ready workforce for Viksit Bharat. So these are the 10 teams. Also, I would like to share the program for all the events from 9th to 12th January. Day 1, there will be selection rounds of all the categories of the competition, and there will be visit by the state contingents to PM Sangralaya and National War Memorial, and also there will be orientation sessions about the festival to all the participants. So this is the program for day 1, that is on the 9th January. On day 2, that is on 10th January, there will be formal opening ceremony in the presence of the National Security Advisor, Sri Ajit Dovalji. And then there will be domain area experts like Sri Pulela Gopichan, the badminton legend, Sri Leander Pace, tennis legend, Srimati Palki Sharma, senior journalist and editor, Sri Rajit Chandrasekhar, entrepreneur and owner of Asianet News online Sri Tejasvi Surya, MP of Bengaluru, and also the Ironman medalist, and Sri Hemang Joshi, who is also an MP, and they will be interacting with the participants, and they will finalize the presentations and moderate the group discussions. And then on the same day, state contingents will be hosted for dinner by Union Cabinet Ministers. On day 3, that is on 11th January, national icon Sri Sridhar Vembu, ISRO astronauts, group captain Subhanshu Sukla and Prasad Balakrishnan Naik are also invited for a dialogue with the youth participants. And on that day, there will also be a grand cultural showcase called Colors of Viksit Bharat. And later, there will be interaction by the participants with Indian women cricket team captain Susi Amanpreet Kaur. On the final day, day 4, 12 January, there will be track-wise presentations made before the panel of Honorable Union Ministers. And like what Bobby has said, our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, will also grace the concluding ceremony. And on the penultimate day, there will be presentations, essay compilations, and there will also be Viksit Bharat exhibition. So these are the programs for the Young Leaders Dialogue 2026 at New Delhi. That is all from my side.